So now question is that if I want to make the change in say group, if I want to, I have created a group, but if I want to make any modification or the change, so you can use the usermod command. Okay, and hyphen hyphen help will be used to display all the available options. So what are the absence? Bad names means small name, and if I want to define any comment, so I can use the comment value and hyphen d for the home directory. Sorry, this is the command for the user modification, but for the group modification you can use the groupmod command, and there is a available options with the group. So if you want to append adding any user, so you can append hyphen a option. Hyphen a option used for adding a user. Okay, adding and removing, and hyphen g option is used there group id. So group id before any 1004 for the cells, and or the for the marketing, sorry, 1001 for the marketing. So if you want to change the group id, so you can change. If you want to change the new name, so you will have to use hyphen n option. If you want to put the password, so you can use hyphen p option, and so all these options can be used, right? So I am going to add any user is the member of this. So first I am going to put the password for the user. Either I will use the sudo su and the student 01. So now if I will run the command who am I, so you can see I am the student 0, and the student member of the group student 0 only 1. Okay, so exit for coming back. Right now I am going to change the group modification or adding the group or changing the name of the group. For the example, some person like management told me there is a marketing group, and change the marketing group into publicity. So this is the ticket I had been added, like change the name of the marketing to the publicity, because everything handled by the publicity as well. So what I will do the modification of this. So how can I do this modification? By using the group mode. So group mode here, because of the hyphen name, new name, then first you will have to provide the old name. Old name is a marketing, and new name is a publicity. Okay, so I will have to provide the new name first, publicity, and then marketing. So group has been changed. How will you check it? Simple, use the tail command and /etc and group. So now the marketing has been removed, and now publicity is there. So if you want to make the member of any group or append the unique group, so you can do it. How you can do it? Like I want to make the member student will be the member of the publicity. So sudo and usermod, here I need to put the usermod -ag, and group is a username student 01. There is some confusion may be possible, but no problem. Publicity. So again I will have to provide the first is publicity. It is little bit confusing, no problem. So now I am going to modify, like changing the user sudo su and student 01 hyphen. So right now it will check here the groups. I am going to run this command is groups. So you can see now it is the member of the student 01 and the member of the student and the publicity. There is a two members. Okay. So it is all about all these things. I hope you have understand about the group mode. So there is a two admins, like now I don't have any requirement of the admin group. So I will say please delete this group. So how you can delete this? First I need to go exit. Then I am going to run the group del command to delete the group. Any specific group like admin not required. Sales is required. So I am not going to delete that. So later on I will run this command, whatever I run sometime before, and you will see here no admin group is exist. Okay, so how to change the permission of this and all these things we will discuss later. But in this section we have covered how to you can group, create a group, modify the group and delete the group.